Hello students, welcome to next lecture. Standard 8, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Exercise 8.3. Example number 10. The question is, the population of a place is increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. So find the population in 2001 and what would be its population in 2005. So now, first of all, understand the question. Here is 2003. After 2 years, it becomes 2005. Previous 2 years, it becomes 2001. Okay, there are 3 years. Current year is 2003. Its population is 54,000. Okay, in 2003. The population is 54,000 will be increased at a rate of 5%. So now find the population in 2001. So now move backward. And what would be its population in 2003? So move forward. Okay. So now first these two data. This is your principal amount and this is your amount. Okay, because in the previous there will be less population and in the next year will be always increase. So now which is greater, population or amount? Amount is always greater. So now this is less amount, so it is known as principal, and in 2003 this is your amount. But for these 2 years, 2003 to 2005, 2003 to 2005, this will be your principal and this will be your amount, because in 2003 the population is 54,000, but after 2 years, with 2005, it will be increased. Means this is your principal amount and this is your amount. Clear? Amount is always greater than the principal. So now solve this example. For first condition, for 2001, amount will be 54,000. Rate of interest is 5% and tenure, okay, it is 2003 and 2001 will be 2 years. Okay, now amount is equal to principal in bracket 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. Amount will be 54,000. Principal we want to find. 1 plus r means 5 upon 100 raised to n means 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So now 54,000, 3 in bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20 raised to 2. 54,000 p. 21 is 20 plus 1 is 21 by 20 raised to square. 54,000 is equal to p in bracket 20 upon 21 multiplied by 21 upon 20. So now make it subject of p. 54,000 as it is. 21 upon 20 is converted into 20 upon 21. 21 upon 20 is converted into 20 upon 21. So now principal amount is 48,980. This is a population of. This is population of 2001. Okay, so now you can see in 2001 population is 48,980 and after increasing 5% rate in 2003 population is increased by 54,000. Okay, simple. So now we want to find for 2005. now for 2005, P is equal to 54,000, R is equal to 5%, N is equal to also 2 years, because it is 2003 and this is for 2005. Difference will be 2 years. So now amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Principal amount will be 54,000. 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. 54,000 as it is, in bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20 raised to 2. So now 54,000 in bracket 21 are 20 plus 1 is 21 by 20 raised to 2. So now amount will be 54,000 multiplied by 20 by 20, 21 by 20. Your answer will be 59,535. This is your population of 2005. So now you can also check there. In 2003, population is 54,000, and after increasing in 2005 will be 59,535. Clear? Understand? Done.